Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Amolo Sharon and welcome back to a new vlog. Yeah, so I'm just from doing my skincare. I feel so good. I feel so fresh in my nails. They look so cute. Yeah, so I did them in my last vlog. So I'm just from doing my skincare. I had missed this. Look at my face. I had really missed this. Yeah, so I want to make dinner. I'm having githeri. I've been craving githeri, but the downside is I don't have avocado, so I'm just hoping with whatever ingredients I have the meal slaps. Yeah, so let me make dinner. I'm hoping to sleep by 9 or 9, latest 9:30, because tomorrow I have work. Yeah, so let's make dinner, catch up with the vlog. Yeah.
Falling, you look away while I'm falling. You take your time while I'm crawling. Oh, what a way to waste my time, but never mind, 'cause I'm all in. I knew from the start I was all in, with the hard part of trying to say it. Oh, what a way to break your heart, but whatever, 'cause I know it doesn't matter, 'cause you never cared. But I still get anxious when I see you near. Now my hands feel heavy, like they don't belong on my body. Now I'm thinking, tell me what you're doing to me. 1 second I'm fine, then I'm down on my knees. It's annoying, so annoying. Tell me what's been going on inside of your head. Text been getting heavy, so you leave it on red. Don't worry, it's no hurry. Just tell me what you're doing to me. Yeah. 'Cause honestly, don't think it's healthy to let what you say represent me. Oh, what a way to lose my mind, but never mind, 'cause I know it doesn't matter, 'cause you never care. But I still get anxious when I see you near. And my hands feel heavy, like they don't belong on my body. Now I'm thinking, tell me what you're doing to me. 1 second I'm fine, then I'm down on my knees. It's annoying, so annoying. Tell me what's been going on inside of your head. Text been getting heavy, so you leave it on red. Don't worry, it's no hurry. Just tell me what you're doing to me. Oh, I hate that I can't speak my mind, and the things I say don't come out right. What a way to waste my time. So tell me what you're doing to me. 1 second I'm fine, then I'm down on my knees. It's annoying, so annoying. Tell me what's been going on inside of your head. Text been getting heavy, so you leave it on red. Don't worry, it's no hurry. Just tell me what you're doing to me. I'll be the boy playing the boombox by your window pane.
I'll be the girl wearing your shirt out in the pouring rain.
But this ain't a rom-com, this is real life. Let me show you a bit. Don't need to play no game.
So why'd you say I quit being overthinking about everything? Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now. 'Cause I could do the John Hughes kind of cliche, but either way I need to say anything. Yeah.
Hey guys, this is me back home from my night shift. Whew, I'm really sleepy. I want to have my breakfast, then sleep. So, catch you guys when I wake up. Yeah.
Why'd you say I quit being overthinking about everything? Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now. 'Cause I could do the John Hughes kinda or cliche. But either way, I need to say anything.
So, this is what I'm having: 1 egg, 1 sausage, samosa, and pancake. Yeah.
Thinking about everything. Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now. 'Cause I could do the John Hughes kinda or cliche. Either way, I need to say anything. Quit being overthinking about everything. Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now. 'Cause I could do the John Hughes kinda or cliche. But either way, I need to say anything.
Hey guys, another day, another continuation of this vlog. Yeah, so my day started pretty much with a meeting. I had a meeting that has just ended, and right now I still have a commitment and an errand that I need to do in town. That's why I'm stepping out. So let's go. I'll catch you guys when I'm back. Yeah.
What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I don't want nothing else. I don't want nothing else. Don't.
Oh my god, I think this is not the best angle, but we'll do with it. Yeah, so hey guys, I'm back home. I did pass by Dubois after my meeting. Yeah, and I got a few stuff. Actually, the thing that took me there was this lace tint for my lace. So it darkens the lace part, and it's a sprayable one. So yeah, also while I was there, I got a new key holder in purple. Let me show you my last one. You can't see my key. So this is my key holder. Imechapa. I know the camera is not showing the way it has, but it has served me for the longest. And it did have something like this, the ones that have like a liquid inside. It fell and broke, so I got another one. It's written happy. This one is written sweetheart. Sweetheart. This one is written happy, and both were purple. This one, the purple has faded, so I got it again in purple. I love this color so much. On to about this color. I got a glove, but I got it in green, a shade of green, luminous green. I wanted it so much in purple, but it was not there. The other colors zikuwa zinanipendeza. They were not like the colors that I liked, so I got it in this shower glove in luminous green. I want to change the one that I have. It has seen better days, so it's time to change. Yeah, so that's it. Key holder. Yeah, then I got this. They are the hand cream. I do have the ones that I did get at Miniso, but while I was at Dubois, I saw this pack and it's a steal for me because they are 5 and they were going for 200 shillings. So yeah, and the flavors, I mean the scents for this pack, so one is avocado. Hope the camera focuses. Oh my god, kwanza the grading imetoka, sijui kwa nini. Yeah, so yeah, avocado. One is avocado, olives, chamomile. It's not focusing. Chamomile. Then the next one is sankura. And rose. Yeah, so there are five. These ones will serve me for the longest because the one I had, it's a sheep. Let me show you guys. It's this milk. They came in a pack of 5 too, but they were all white, so it was like milk, sheep, I don't know, but they were from Sador. Even these ones, they are from Sador. Yeah, but 30 the same. Yeah, so this is the one that is almost over. Yeah, so these ones will take me for a longer period of time. Also on the haul, I did get like this Moana clip, like this floral clip. I hear it's called Moana clip. Yeah, so I did get this. I'm not planning to use it on my hair. Oh, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. No. Yeah, but it's for my bag because I've seen it being used as an accessory for the beach bag. So I got this, but I don't know how I feel about this color. I think I will get another one, but a different color. Like I did see a brown one, the shade of like my dress, but I was so skeptical about getting it. But I think next time when I go to Dubois, I'll get that one. But I was hoping to get a yellow one or a pink one, but I didn't get. I guess it's not, I didn't get, the shop that I went to didn't have them, and also I was not ready to walk around because that was not my plan to go to Dubois. So next time when I'm going, I will check them out. Yeah, and then I got this headband. It's a burnt orange one. I'm tired of having this and the black one and the yellow one, so I decided to get something, just a change of my usual headband. So I got this burnt orange, and also it's thicker than the one that I have. So I can't find, I don't know where the other one is, so that's why I ended up getting this one. I want to try it out on my hair. Let me remove this one. It looks, oh my god, it looks so good. It looks so good. I wish I could have gotten it in a white one. Imagine next time when I'm going to Dubois, I'm getting it in a white one. Oh, it looks so nice. It looks so good. It looks so good. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Let me tell you, it's raining. It's raining outside. It's raining. If you have errands to run, just stay in the house. For me, I wish I could have stayed in the house. If it weren't for the meeting, I don't think I would have stepped outside. So I don't like it when it rains and I have errands to run. No, I don't like it a single bit. So I just went outside because of the meeting. So yeah, so right now I want to have something to eat. I'm cooking pork and ugali. Yeah, so that's what I'm planning to have because it's 1:40. It's 1:40, so I want to have that. Also, it's time to remove this. Whew. Yeah, so let me make lunch, then I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt she'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. I'll never know, I'll never know. We were nothing alike and I kinda like that. Came from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt she'd ever leave my
outside money, but you like to drink. She should've known the first moment you're out of my league, but you said you liked me. Oh, I bet it was